The goal with this activity is to really work on your speed and power. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do some bounds into a sprint. What a bound is you're going to jump from one leg to the other. You want to make sure you go as far as you can. You want the landings to be soft, quick, with a slight knee bend. The bounding portion, I'll show you that first, is going to look like this. So I'm going arms forward, getting some quick jumps like that. As you can see, back and forth. And I'll give you a few into the camera, just like that. You're going to do those and then book it into a sprint. When you're doing the sprint portion, you want to make sure the arms go forward and upward. They're at about head height. And you're going to transition to that immediately after the bounds. It's going to look like this. I'm going to go off camera for a sec, and you'll see me bound, and then I'll transition to the sprint. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.